Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Hey guys, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We are hard at work over here. Big Ron is getting ready to finish welding up the front bumper for the 1973 Volkswagen Thing. And I thought I'd set you guys up and let you watch him weld and kind of go through that. So check this out. I'll show you what we're going to do and what we've already done. Okay. Front bumper. Now he's already welded up the holes here, welded the extensions on here, same on this side, okay? So now what we have, this is clearly from a license plate frame, okay? I'm gonna keep these holes. I'm gonna keep these holes, okay? So if you wanted to, somebody wanted to put the bumper pads on, they can. So we're gonna weld up this hole, leave all of this, and weld up that hole and that hole, and then these two here. This is where they had little like halo lights or whatever, halo lights. So these two get welded up. That one, that one, that one, and that one. And those holes are from where they had that. If you guys remember the beginning of this bumper, it had plate on it and tubing and all kinds of stuff. So that's where it was bolted on. So we're gonna get all that cleaned up, and then we'll grind it down, and then we'll start working on the actual brackets that go inside of here that mount to the car. That'll be next, and we'll go from there. Just so you know what welder we're using, we've got a Hobart. We got it from Rural King. Rural King. It's the Handler 210 MVP. It's a 115, 230 volt wire fed welder, 25 to 210 amp output. Welds really good. We've got our tank. What is it, oxyacetylene?
Argon CO2.
Argon CO2. And yeah. And there's Big Ron.
So, we are welded up here. We got these two welded up. Sorry for the terrible lighting. The tops are welded. So you guys kind of get an idea what this bumper is going to look like. I want to make sure that the people that, whoever buys this can put a front plate on it and can put the rubber bumpers or tow hooks or whatever they want to put on it. So that's where we're at. Bumper's welded up. Now we got to grind it down, and we'll bring that to you when he's done. I don't want to throw sparks all over the camera.
This is what we're using.
This is what we're going to be using to grind it down, and we'll go from there. So where we're at is Big Ron is getting ready. He's suiting up over here, getting ready to grind all of this back down. Wanted to go over something with you, and I'm going to let him put all this on, and then I'm going to explain it. Ron's been welding for over 45, 50 years, okay? I'm working on cars, grinding, worked on the railroad, worked in a steel mill, Navy, you know, really kind of has a pretty good idea of what he should and shouldn't be doing. Nobody's an expert, but pretty good. So when you see us out here and it looks like overkill with what we're wearing as far as PPE or personal protective equipment, there's a reason for it, right? So what Ron's got on, he's got the welding gloves, he's got the leather jacket, he's got pants on, he's got steel-toe boots on, he's wearing a mask, an N95, he's got his face shield on, ear protection, he's got the cap on for over his head, the fire, what would you call that, fire resistant cap? Yeah. For welding. And the reason for all of this is when you're throwing these sparks and they hit you and, you know, they go in your ear, they go all over the place. And whether you're wearing glasses or not, I wear glasses, okay? You can see me. I can't tell you how many times I've been hit in the eye or real close to getting hit in the eye, even with my glasses on, okay? Even with a face shield, okay? So just be careful when you do this. If you guys haven't welded before or really done any grinding or anything to this extent and you're gonna try it, be careful, wear the right stuff, use the right tools. This stuff isn't really that expensive. He's probably got $200–300 worth of stuff on right now. The grinder, you know, honestly we probably should have a guard on it, but it just makes it easier without it. But like the welder, you know, if you use good equipment, this goes so much faster. Now, that welder I think was $1,300 from Rural King. With a 4-year warranty on it, right? Worth every penny. And it's worked out great for us. The last welder we had, I think it lasted 20 years. So, you know, you take care of your stuff, and like you can see, Ron's got it covered up with rubber here, right? That's the welder under there. We don't want sparks hitting it, messing it up. Not that it would really matter, but just trying to keep it nice. So anyway.
Okay, go ahead and get out of here.
So Ron went ahead and got the bumper welded up and ground down. You guys saw me doing some of that earlier. We're looking really good here. Sorry, I gotta walk around a bunch of stuff. Just thought I'd give you guys an idea of what this looked like. I think we're looking really good. So now Ron's working on putting the actual braces on here. And these guys, the tow hooks, we'll get those on. And we'll mock this up real quick and show you guys what it looks like, and then we're going to keep working. Alright guys, here's the front bumper mounted on the car. Now again, we don't have the middle braces in, those are coming, but they're on it's on the tabs here. We've got good spacing here between the body and the bumper. I think they look pretty good. Get past that. I think we're looking good, guys. Really happy with how that turned out. At least somebody can still put the bumper pads on and the license plate frame. That's important. Options are good, you know. So there we go, guys. I'm going to keep working on the wiring here and let Ron do his thing. As he gets going and anything of note, I'll film it and bring it to you in this. So Big Ron, the bumper is mounted and ready for body work and paint. This is what we ended up with here. Show you. It's got good gap all the way across. Mounted up, fantastic. We're cooking. Uncle Billy Bob, if you're watching this, thank you so much for the brackets. That was, we couldn't have done it without you there. Had to have them. So yeah, guys, this is it. So banner day on the thing here. The bumper getting to this point was huge. Next couple days we'll do the body work, get this thing painted and get it on here for good. And really we'll start putting the car back together here probably in the next few days. I've almost got the wiring figured out. We have wipers now, we have headlights, we have high beam headlights, we have parking lights, we have turn signals front and rear, we have hazards. All those things work correctly. We have dash lights. What I need to figure out still, and I'm going to tackle this tomorrow, is why my lights in the rear are still on whenever the battery's on. And then I'm going to figure out my my low beam headlights. And that comes down to it's literally dead at the fuse panel. So I just need to figure out what's feeding that and then go from there. So guys, I'm going to leave you with that. I hope you enjoyed this little video series we did here on the front bumper, watching Ron weld it up, grind it down, all the things, and then get it on the car. We'll keep doing things like this, especially when we're doing the 40 here and the Apache for sure, and bring all that to you. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great night.